We're in the middle of a hailstorm. Huge. See this? It's really coming down. You got lightning and hail. You can see some of the damage already. It's peeling the paint off of stuff. The sign blew off of a thing it's out in the yard. Let's see if I can get down here without getting hurt. See if I can grab something. Look at the size of this. Okay, look at the size. Look at the size of this.
Oh my gosh. It's like a quarter.
What?
I said it's like a quarter.
That is huge. It is. It's really wet out there. And of course I'm bringing it in, but I don't know. You can see it's peeled to the paint. Look at it. Look at the porch is blown over.
Oh my goodness.
I mean the railing or whatever. It's peeled the paint off of most of everything. My car is outside, and it's going to be probably pretty wild. But that looks like it has a little smiley face. Do you want to put it in your mouth?
I don't know where that's been.
Yeah, look. Oh, it's really something out here.